So when you buy a wallpaper, obviously the color and the pattern is one of the most important things, but the next important thing is the price point. So here it is important to understand that wallpapers are not priced by per square foot rates, but as per the roll rate. That is the cost of the roll. Like for example, one roll of wallpaper will cost about 3000 rupees roughly, and one roll covers about 57 to 60 square feet of area. Once you identify what paper you want to buy, you can ask the store person to send someone to your place to give you a quote, because you will have to buy, as I said, wallpaper in the midst of rolls, so some part of the roll may go waste. So total cost of the product is very, very important. Also you will need to add the cost of the labor and the GST if it is add-on, so as to understand how much you are totally spending on that particular wallpaper. So if the person comes for measurement, you can ask him to carry the wallpaper with him, so that you can check, so that you can hold it vertically against the wall and you can check how it looks like at your place, because the lighting at the store and the lighting at your home will vary. So the way the wallpaper looks is also going to change. So you need to do this exercise before you actually shortlist on any wallpaper. So many people feel that if you want to install a wallpaper, then you don't need to prep and prime the wall. So that is not true, because if you're installing especially a shiny wallpaper like a metallic wallpaper or something, you do need to do a proper POP leveling of the wall, because otherwise, as we say in interior lingo, you will be able to see a layer on the wall, that is uneven surfaces, and that looks really tacky. So before you install the wallpaper, it is necessary to do the proper procedure of preparing the wall, and also you will need to apply 1 or 2 coats of paint if the wallpaper is going to be of light color. Paint at least 1 coat you need to do anyways, because sometimes what happens is the paint, if you put the wallpaper directly on a raw wall, then the lambi etc will tend to absorb all that glue and all that. So 1 coat of paint is needed before you install any kind of wallpaper, whether it is light or dark. Also, when you are buying wallpaper, if it is a regular overall textured wallpaper, then it's okay. But if you are buying any wallpaper with particular type of motif print like damask print etc, then you will need to buy more quantity of wallpapers, because you need to match the print. So there will be more wastage as compared to an overall print. So now which wallpaper to use and where to use is also a question. So obviously if you are doing a kids room, then you can highlight any blank wall, and the cartoon thing is now a little dated. I feel it's very, very common. So instead of that, you can use a very nice lined paper, or you can use the one with pin strips with color of your choice, like pink or blue, whatever color your kid likes. So that you can do. If you are doing it in the master bedroom, then you can have it behind your bed. So if you're doing it in the master bedroom, then you can do this wallpaper behind your bed. And nowadays floral prints and the one with the banana leaf patterns is very, very trending. So like a big floral print wallpaper is nowadays very, very in, I can say. So that you can try that. If you are using it in the living room, then I think that the overall textured pattern wallpaper will look good. I don't think that floral print pattern will look good in the living room. So especially in the entrance lobby and all that, I think that metallic print wallpapers and all that will look really nice and reflect light also. So if the lobby is slightly smaller, then because of the light because of the light getting reflected, the lobby will look bigger. So you can try that in your lobby. So for more such informative videos, keep watching my channel, The Better Living. Bye.